Via Umberto is one of the main streets in Carini, Sicily, and it's like we've stepped back in time. This bakery is a local favorite. I stopped to watch the workers for a few minutes because I found it really interesting that on such a narrow street, they found a way to haul the supplies up to the very top floor to renovate this old building. Later in the day, 𝗘̇ci and I are driving into Bivio di Foresta. We often stop at the fish market on the left-hand side of the road there to get fresh swordfish, and boy is it good. We were on our way to see 𝗘̇ci's brother in Torretta, and I had him pull over because I just wanted to enjoy the view. Even though it was cloudy, you could see the sea in the background and the Sicilian countryside, just so very peaceful and beautiful.